And Chris Kobach, the number of states that have already enacted legislation, the number of states that we did a count at one point, it was 25 states, 25 or 26 states that were considering similar types of legislation. Is it your sense you're going to see that kind of legislation move forward now into law?
Yes, that's exactly right, Lou. And in fact, several states have already passed laws that require E-Verify, just as Arizona did. They did so in the wake of Arizona. South Carolina and Mississippi are two. It appears that Alabama may be on the verge of passing a mandatory E-Verify law in the next week or two. And we may see a couple more states come into line very quickly. So I think you're going to see, now that the Supreme Court has given the green light, probably in the next 12 months, additional states saying, look, we're going to go ahead and do this. We want a level playing field for all businesses, and we want everybody to follow the law.
And Congressman Bilbray, just very quickly, we're out of time, but I've got to ask this question. The Chamber of Commerce, representing business interests, has fought on this issue tooth and nail at every quarter. But that does not mean that the Chamber of Commerce is entirely wrong, that there is a need for additional labor in this country, and that suggests that there has to be a rational, effective, humane approach to providing that labor. Is it your sense, as a result of this, and this may be a stretch, that this historic decision, that a sensible compromise could be reached as a result?
I think you're going to see the opportunity for doing a true guest worker program where somebody comes here, works, and goes home, not a self-amnesty. But I think the real issue with this, Lou, is this is really the litmus test of those who truly care about illegal immigration and stopping the problem, or those who have been finding excuses, because there is no reason to oppose E-Verify except for the fact that it works, and that tells a lot about the people who oppose it.
Congressman Bilbray, thank you very much. Secretary of State Chris Kobach, and co-author of the law that has just been upheld by the U.S. Supreme Court. Thank you for being here. And Attorney General Tom Horne. Thank you, gentlemen. We appreciate it. Another story is breaking at this hour on